The Siguruguru Primary School has 14 tents used as classrooms, accommodating about 800 learners from grade 0 to 7. Haivera says only 2 tents remained standing following rainstorm on Wednesday night. He says last week teachers and senior learners had a busy day re-erecting the tents before lessons could resume. Haivera says the school will now have to buy books and other study aids that were damaged.
Most of the chalkboards are destroyed. Learners' books are wet or also destroyed. So learning and teaching today, as we speak, it is in shambles. And especially the teaching and materials that we are using, they are always being destroyed. Just last week we have to buy again new exercise books for the learners, and here we are today, these books are gone.
Last month, the Kavango Regional Council advertised the tender for the construction of 12 classrooms at the Siguruguru Primary School. Haivera called on the authorities to speed up the process as the situation robs children of quality teaching and learning time.
I think in this case, the leadership needs to speed up. I humbly request the regional leadership to see to it that the process is fastened. Otherwise, learning and teaching of the Siguruguru learner is into jeopardy. Because, look, it was an emergency. Do we still call it an emergency now?
Meanwhile, the Rundu Project School, situated at the Rundu Trade Fair Center, was not spared by the storm either. When our news team arrived at the school, learners were busy re-erecting the tents blown away. The makeshift school enrolled over 1,000 learners from grade 8 to 11 who could not find placement at existing schools. Chris Kupulo, NBC News, Rundu.